Welcome to the channel, guys. So right now I'm in St. Elizabeth's. Welcome to Calabash Bay. Yeah man, so this is Calabash Bay. A lot of persons only hear about Calabash Bay and never really take a tour in a Calabash Bay. And also this area is also a fishing area. So keep on watching, guys. Can get a nice view of the beach. So I'm giving you an update on the Calabash Bay area as you know 2022. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. So I'm gonna make a left turn this way to Treasure Beach Heights also. On your right you have a Treasure Beach Sports Park on your right. If you go to Lashings you get a nice view of the sports park, and you know Lashings, as I said before, it's a very nice place, nice scenery. There you can get your steamed fish, your pizza, anything you want there. It's a nice family settings in Lashings area. So we are very close to Jack Spratt. On your left, we have the Jake's Village. I'm gonna make a left turn, will take us to Jack Spratt. As you know, Jack Spratt. There you can get a nice view of the beach, and also you can get your seafood. So you need to check out Jack Spratt when you come to Treasure Beach area. So keep on watching, guys. As you can see, it's a tourist area. So we're gonna make a left turn, will take us to the Frenchman side also. So we're having some nice weather today. So I'm gonna make a left turn, will take you all to Frenchman. So we're now at the Frenchman Bay, seaside dining, restaurant, coffee bar. So keep on watching, guys. Okay, have a blessed day, alright? So I'm gonna make a left turn. A lot of persons always take this road to the beach. As you can see, straight ahead, that's the sea right there in the Frenchman area. So as I showed you before, we see the Frenchman cafe. This is the beach behind it, so you all can check out this place. Very nice place, relaxing also. You can also walk the beach in the Frenchman area. So keep on watching, guys. Yeah man, so none of them look a corner here now. If you can drive, take back out to the self, you know. Fire Hill Villa on your right. So we're now in the Billies Bay area. So thank you guys for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.